Hey y'all, so my Hello Happy came today, my April Hello Happy, and I was super excited. I could not wait to come downstairs and make a video for you guys to show you how cute this month's Hello Happy is. I am in love with it. It's adorable. It comes now in the in a box, which makes it so much more, I feel like it's more giftable when it's in the box. But a cute little box with pink on it, kind of like a mauve color, pink. On the side it says it's what's on the inside that counts, and for sure it is. But this would make an awesome gift just to send to someone. So you can actually order this and have it shipped to someone else. It doesn't have to be shipped to you. So if you are thinking teacher gift, end of the year teacher gift, if you're thinking Mother's Day gift, graduation gift, whatever that your gifting needs are, this is the perfect solution for you. And this is great for all ages, okay? So we open it up. You've got this adorable box with polka dots on the inside. I mean, that just screams happy to me. Like, it just, I don't know what it is, but it just makes me happy to see it. And when you open it up, you've got this little card in here, and it says, let's make every day feel like Sunday. Let's, ready to unwind, Hello Happy. And then on the back, it tells you exactly what is inside of the box, but I'm going to share that with you anyways. All right, so the first thing that you see, there's lots of little fun confetti in here, but this is called the Petite Rubie Mini. This is in that like the dotted Geo Pebble print, almost like that Sweet Blossom print as well. So it comes with this Petite Mini Ruby. It's so cute. It's adorable. I do have my regular Ruby Mini just to kind of show you size comparison. So that is the size comparison from a regular Ruby Mini to this one. And then this is also going to come with a wristlet strap. So this would be perfect for a night out on the town, just to put your lip gloss in here, put your little card in here, or debit card. So this is an old 31 gift card. So you just to see size comparison. And then on the inside, you can see that in there as well. So this would be great for like your ID, a card, your chapstick, your keys, and you would be good to go. It's super lightweight. So this is the Petite Rubie Mini and the wristlet strap. And then it's also going to come with a fun little box on the inside. You open it up. Okay. There we go. And then you have this adorable coffee mug. This mug is called the Mug with Palm, which is really cute. It says sip on here in almost like a navy color. And then attached, you've got a fun little pom-pom. I mean, how cute is that? I just love this. It's adorable. So this is just a great little happy set, but it's also great for gifting. So I definitely want you guys to be thinking, because we're probably not going to be able to go out and go shopping, you know, grab something off the shelf for our mom. So why not send her something that would make her happy, brighten her day for sure. It just brightens my day, and I know what I'm getting in the mail, but I just love this as a gift set. So consider shopping small with me, your 31 consultant, during all this time. I know that there's so much going on in the world right now, and you know, it's nice just to have a little normalcy, right? Especially with our kids at home. So anyways, I hope that you love this video. Give me the thumbs up. I'll link below my April Hello Happy. It will be available until the end of April, okay? And if you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'm going to link below also the my VIP customer group on Facebook, so you can click to join. It'll ask you 2 questions. Answer those questions, and then I'm going to send you a private message. So make sure that you check your message request folder, and hopefully we'll get you added to my group if you don't have a consultant. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell, and you'll get a notification every time I post a video here on my YouTube channel. So anyways, I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope you have fun shopping. I have lots of gifting ideas for Mother's Day. So definitely join my VIP group on Facebook, because I'm posting lots of those. So anyways, have a great day. Stay safe, you guys. Wash your hands. All right, bye.